So let's discuss how to create a OTBI report. Okay. So it is very easy. You just need to navigate to your home page. Okay. Under home page, you need to navigate to your tools. Okay. So under tools, we have a report and analytics option. So here we can go to analysis, click on create and click on analysis, and you can see the select subject area option. Like we have a subject areas already defined in the Oracle application. So module wise, we have separate subject areas. So depending on our client business requirement basis, as a finance functional consultant, without having any technical help, we can easily develop a report for our analysis purpose. So we can search for, suppose I want to create analysis report for general ledger module. So you can check by searching with general ledger here. So let's search with general ledger. Click on search. So these are the subject areas available. Only these subject areas you can use and develop a report. Okay, so you can't go outside of the subject areas. Only available subject areas you have to choose and create a OTPI report. Same, let's check for payables. What are the subject areas? So for the payables, you can see the invoices like installments details or invoice details or prepayment, advance payment details, withholding tax invoices, trial balance details, payment history details, distribution details, etc. So as per the requirement, we need to enable the respective subject area and click on continue to create a OTBA report. Same way, you can search for the receivables. Click on search. So you can see many subject areas like invoice adjustment details, bill receivable details, all invoice, ER invoice details, credit memo details, right? Revenue details, adjustment details, standard receipts details, like all AR invoice details. So all the subject areas available, you simply enable this checkbox and click on continue. So to create analysis. Same way you can search for assets as well. You can get the asset related subject areas. So asset balance details, depreciation details, asset transaction details, etc. we can get. Depends on our requirement, we can enable this checkbox to create a subjective OTBA report for the fair fee module. Same way you can search for the cash management. Click on search, right? For the cash management related subject areas like statement line related information, right? Bank charges related information or any external transaction data. So everything we can pull out. So you can just enable the required subject area to create a OTBA analysis code. So this is how we can simply create a analysis for OTBA way. Suppose I want to extract external transaction, cash transaction, just click on this checkbox, click on continue. So next you have to add few more details like filter details or layout part, how you want to looks like, right? The data, those things also you can add simply, and you can drag and drop the parameters from the columns and rows, and we can simply create a report in a simply in a 5 minutes job. It is like you have to select the columns required from this subject area by expanding this one. So required details you can select here, right? And you can select the views and add the table or graph required if you want, and sort the filters if you want, then highlight it and submit it finally. So total 7 steps you will have. Okay, just expand these details here. So you can easily create this OTBA report by using your functional knowledge. You don't need to depend on your technical consultant or a technical knowledge, not at all required. Thank you.